Hello guys, so welcome to Kyo Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the lighting of this particular exterior over here. So what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll be adding a V-Ray camera. So let's go into this view over here and I'll go into the camera and I'll add a V-Ray camera. So I'll just add a V-Ray camera over here. I'll go into this. I'll push it over here. I can just off the target of the camera over here. So now I can just go into this. Again I'll go over here and I'll delete the main camera. I'll go into this and we have some options over here. And now if you try to render this, let's render it once over here. So we can just render it once and see how it's going to look like. So it is a bit showing dark over here. Let's go over here, select the camera. We have this options called ISO. I can slightly I'll go into this. Alright. So this looks a bit better. Again I'll go into this, select the camera and I'll make it as 10 over here. The shutter speed, I'll go into this and we do have this balancing over here. I can work with some balancing over here. According to the needs. This looks a bit better. I'll go over here and I'll make it as 8. Again I'll go into this and I can change the slight balancing of it. These are some balancing presets over here. So we can set the presets accordingly to our needs over here. Alright. Let's go into rendering. Let's go into environment and I'll go over here and I'll add a V-Ray exposure control. So I'll go over here and now again I'll render it once again. And I can go into this and I can change the exposure control as required over here. So if you want, I can slightly reduce the shutter speed if needed. Alright, so again I'll go over here, and we do have this. We can again change the presets. This looks a bit better, slightly. So I'm keeping this preset over here. Now I'll add a bit of light, one more light. Let's go into this, and I can slightly add a multiplier. I'll add one light right from this axis and reduce its. I'll remove this HDRI. I'll make it as 0.3 and again render this. So I've removed that HDRI from that particular light. Alright. So let's go into the render settings. Go into the render setup. Let's go into Vray. I'll reduce the noise threshold over here. Minimum subdivisions I'll make it as 6 by 30. Samples I'll go over here. Lock noise pattern I'll increase it to 64. Color mapping we have changed it. Subpixel mapping. So this all the settings will keep it as same. Light cache. And let's render it once again. So you can add the light passes if required. Alright. Alright. So we can just render it and finalize it. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So thanks for watching this tutorial.